Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and radicals and we were in the brain teasers, isn't it? Now coming to the question number 3. Simplify and express the answer with positive exponent. So simplify. The question is the root x to the power 4 y into 1 by cube root of x y to the power 7. Here also it is cube root to the power minus 4. Okay. Now it is written in the cube root. So convert into the exponential form. So when you convert into exponential form, it becomes x to the power 4 y the whole raised to 1 by 3, isn't it? Into 1 upon xy to the power 7 the whole raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to minus 4. Okay. Now you open this. So it becomes x to the power 4 into 1 by 3. X to the power 4 by 3. In the numerator, in this one becomes y to the power 1 by 3. And this full goes to the denominator. That is x to the power 7. It is x to the power, okay, it is 1, so 1 by 3 into y, it becomes 7 into 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3, the whole raised to minus 4. Okay, now we will take x as separate, y as separate. So it will be x to the power 4 by 3 and here divide by x to the power 1 by 3 means it becomes minus 1 by 3 and y it becomes numerator it is 1 by 3 and denominator is minus it is 7 by 3, so it is minus 7 by 3, that whole raised to minus 4. Okay, now it became x to the power 4 minus 3 is 3 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled into y to the power 1 minus 7 becomes a minus 6 by 3. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are and the whole raised to minus 4. Okay, now it became x to the power, here it is 1 into y to the power minus 2 the raised to minus 4. That means it became x to the power, this became x to the power minus 4 into and y to the power minus 2 into minus 4. It became 8. So, x to the power minus 4 means 1 by x to the power 4 and y to the power 8 will be numerator. So, final answer y to the power 8 upon x to the power 4. Understood? So first this radical one you convert into the exponential form, then separate out x and y and then use the loss. Okay. Now coming to fourth question, evaluate 3 into 16 kiska power 4, 2 to the power 4 whole raised to 3 by 4, 4 gets cancelled, 3 into 2 to the power 3, it is 2 into 3, 3 into 2 cube is 8, so 8 3s are 24. Clear? Now coming to next one, 2 into 27 is 3 cube, the whole raised to minus 2 by 3, 3 gets cancelled. That means 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. That means 2 into 1 by 3 squared. That is 2 into 1 by 9. Isn't it? That is 2 by 9. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It is 2 into 9 is 3 squared raised to 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Now 3 squared raised to minus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So it became 2 into, it is 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now this is 2 into 3 bases are same. 3 multiplication means plus, isn't it? So it becomes 2 into 3 to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 3 square is 9. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now coming to fifth sum. Find the value of. So here in between plus sign is there. So you have to find out 5 square plus 12 square the whole raised to 1 by 2. Means 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144 raised to 1 by 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 raised to 1 by 2. Now 169 किसका है? 13 square raised to 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So the answer is 13. Is it clear? These are easy. Here little bit confusion is there. So take care. Now coming to the question number 6. Find the value of x. Okay. Now here 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. Addition in between is equal to 192. So directly you can't do. So what you do is 2 to the power x, take it common. Okay. So here it will be 1, here it will be 1, here it will be 1, bracket is equal to 192. Okay. That is 2 to the power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, 192. That is 2 to the power x is equal to 192 upon 3. That means 2 to the power x is equal to 3 6 are 18, 1 remains, 3 4s are 12. That means 2 to the power x is equal to 64 is 2 to the power 6. Isn't it? So you will write when bases are same, we equate their powers. That means x is equal to 6. Okay. So that was question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. 8 raised to 255 is equal to 32 raised to x. Okay, now 8, here 8 and 32 same, convert into the same base. That means 2 to the power 3 raised to 255 is equal to 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 and raised to x. Now 2 to the power 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 16, 3 2s are 6, 7. Now it became 2 to the power 5x. Now the bases are same. So when bases are same, we equate their powers. That means 765 is equal to 5x. That means x is equal to 765 upon 5. Now 5 1s are 5, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25, 1 remains, 5 3s are 15. That was question number 2. Now coming to the question number subdivision, question number 3. It is 2 to the power 2x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the power 2x minus 1. So same we have done earlier. It is 2x plus 2. Convert this into the base 2. That is 2 squared the whole raised to 2x minus 1. Now it becomes 2 to the power 2x plus 2. And here 2 to the power 2 2s are 4x minus 2 1s are 2. Now when bases are same, we equate their powers. That is 2x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 2. 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 2 minus 2. That means minus 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2. That is. So 4x when you take it this side negative, this plus becomes minus. So here subtract, it becomes minus 2x minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2, that is equal to 2. Clear? Now coming to the seventh sum, 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 24. See here it is a bases are same, but here in between minus sign is there. So little bit difficult. So you have to understand this. Okay. So 4 to the power x minus, now 4 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 24. So 4 to the power x, keep it like that. Now 4 to the power x minus 1 means what? 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power 1 is written. When the bases are same, you subtract the powers. Isn't it? Yes or no? So this is the method. So here you are writing in the reverse way. So it will be 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power 1 is equal to 24. Okay. So whatever we have written here, it is a, this is given. So you have to write the division form. Okay. Now how much is remaining? Take 4 to the power x out. 4 to the power x common. So here 1 is remaining and minus, here 4 to the power x is taken out. Here 1 will be there. Denominator it will be 4. isn't it? 4 to the power 1 is 4. Did you understand this step? So 4 to the power x is taken as common. You take it out. So what is remaining here? 1 minus this 4 to the power x is taken out. So that will be 1 and denominator is 4 to the power 1, that is 4, is equal to 24. Now you know 4 to the power x into 1 minus 1 by 4 means what? 4 minus 1 by 4. Directly also you can do 4 to the power x into 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Isn't it? So this much you got. Now 4 to the power x is equal to 24. When you take it to the other side, it becomes 4 by 3. Isn't it? Multiplication. When you take to the other side, the numerator goes to the denominator. Now cutting. 3 ones are 3 eights are. So you got how much? 4 to the power x is equal to 8 fours are 32. Okay, now 4 and this 32 cannot be written in the base 4. So convert into base 2. So 2 square to the power x, 4 is written as 2 squared and 32 is written as 2 to the power 5. Now this became 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now the bases are same. When bases are same, we equate their powers. That means 2x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. Is it clear? So this sum is little bit confusing. So do it 2 or 3 times, then it will be easy. So find the value of x. In that you have to use your brains. So here, see here also 2 to the power x. So you have to take 2 to the power x as common. Isn't it? Here also 8 and 32 cannot be, base cannot be the same. So convert into the base 2. Like that you have to do. Okay then. So here also it was positive exponent. So you have to convert in the positive one. So denominator, numerator both should be positive. So hope you have understood the brain teasers. It's little bit difficult. The sums are difficult. So do it 2 or 3 times. Understand it properly. Any related questions can be asked. So you have to understand where and all. If it is multiplication, this will be plus. If it is division, it is minus. So to find the x, in those questions, some tricky questions will be asked. So be prepared for that. Okay? Okay then. Hope everyone understood. Bye. Thank you.